Popping guys, it's your boy Kaiser Plus, and today's amazing video is a Kaiser Talks video. Well, I don't have Astros friggin'. I don't want to buy the TVs yet, but what do I want to talk is about Astros Prison. It's an amazing way, but the cartoon did a single mistake, making it even better or worse than Savior Factory. As we all know, Savior Factory is a good player, it has a jumping move, but it also depletes a lot of stamina. And as well as click sign goal, it only has one click, and that's even worse than that. And even in Saber Factory, one of BBG's videos, Saber Factory bursted Surprise, and I'm disappointed that Surprise bursted to Saber Factory. Let me just roll that clip and let. Clip, and I'm disappointed. I think even worse Prison is better than Astro's Prison. The 4 mods versus the 16 mods. I think it's better in comparison to Clay. It has 2 clays, but that way has 3 clays, and even though it has 3 clays to Saber Bacteria. Saber Bacteria did also bursted to him, but I'm disappointed that it bursted to it. One of I'm not I'm not disappointed that Saber Bacteria is that bad, but Bacteria Generation has its own thing. You guys know that even though it's a bad way, like even say Victory Valkyrie was a way that surprisingly came out on top. Yeah, even winning Valkyrie was his bad with stamina, but still was able to do it a few ways. So that's why I'm not judging the Valkyrie evolution. I'm judging the Spriggan evolution. Look at the worst prize and was one of the greatest with, and I even made a combo with the Saber Blade combo. I used words. This was such an amazing guess. It has these wings, and that was just removed in DB, and I was just disappointed. But I was happy that it came with metal and rubber. But Hasbro made a mistake. They removed, and they didn't remove anything. They made the clicks bad. The clicks are not that good. It's decent. It's a decent way. The clicks are good, but how did it burst to save your battery? I'm surprised about that. But still, it's a good bet. Definitely recommended to buy. Definitely recommended for buying Worst Price, and it's an amazing way. Even Extra Spriggan is an amazing way. Recommended to buy, and even greatly launches. I just hope that they don't make this mistake they made with Valkyrie and Spriggan. Basically, Valkyrie only one play. That was the mistake. Then Bound giving. At least they could have given Valkyrie infinite like clicking, like they give it to Prime of Apocalypse. That way, even if it moves, even if it uses the Bound giver, it won't burst. That will make an invincible Valkyrie. Let me get. Also, they could have at least done is like a burst stopper, right? They could have made a burst stopper till the bomb gimmick could be used, and that way the wings, this would be a collab of Brave Valkyrie and also the rubber on Valkyrie amazing, and the Josie Valkyrie. They could have made the make the wings came back. That way it means so good. Like they made a comeback, and it doesn't burst. It's so hard to burst. So that's fine. Even Guilty Launches is coming out, and I just hope that they don't make the same mistake on the clicks as they did on Surprise and Red Cape, because I just don't want to suffer. I just don't want to make the people who like Louis and Launches suffer the same fate as the people who were expecting an amazing prize and an amazing victory. The jumping game was amazing, but the clicks decent. Even the clicks on prize is decent, but not as I expected it to be. I'm just right now in a sadness grip. I'm just gripping it through. So I hope this is a shout out to fans of Surprise and Retreat, that whoever were expecting these bases to be amazing and they came out below your expectation. I'm sorry about it, but still they're still expected to be decent. They're still decent base, and I'm definitely recommending for the fans to buy those base and try to awaken, try to bring out the full power spring and by customizing, and maybe the customization might bring back that high hopes of you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe, and always guys, this is Kaiser, disappointing or decent out.